Today we're on boolean and we'll be using the and, or, and not functions to search things. So this is how you would use the and function. And this tells you an example. And then this would be the or function. And this is the not function. So first we'll be using the and function. You'll come up here to search. And say I wanted to search about ACL tears and meniscus tears and how they would affect young athletes. So I'll do ACL tear and young athletes. And then this will show you things they found in books and media, articles and book chapters, archives and manuscripts, and library websites and guides. So now we'll use the or. So we'll do ACL tear recovery or C. ACL training plan. You see, you'll get things up here too. You can click on each one, see which ones you like, and then we would use the not. So we do ACL tear not. Let's say MCL tear. And there you go.